to my channel Crochet Skills. In today's video I will show you how to crochet this useful crochet basket, and I'll show you how to make it. You can use it for anything the way you want. You can use it. This is the handle, here is the solid base, the walls, and okay, so I'll show you how to make it. Okay, so we will start from the two pieces of base. Start with chain 22, go into the second chain from the hook, work a single crochet, one single crochet into every stitch. So this is how we will make the base piece. Okay, so the row is finished. Make chain 1, turn, work the next row with one single crochet into each stitch. That means every time at the end of row we have 21 single crochet. So I will finish 44 rows of one single crochet into each stitch. Okay, so finished my 44 rows, and this is how my piece is done. I will make one more piece in the same way. The number of rows and the number of stitches needs to be same. Okay, so this was my one piece. Let's match it. Okay, so the both pieces are equal. Okay, so now I'll start working. Okay, so let's begin the next part. We'll make chain 24. Okay, so chain 25 is completed. Now I'll just go into the second chain from the hook and work a single crochet. We'll work one single crochet into every stitch, then chain 1 and turn. So this is how we will just work in all the rows until I've got 60 rows. Okay, so I have just created this long piece. So these are okay, so let's count the rows. Multiples of 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, 100, 106 rows. So let's check whether it's appropriate size for it or not. So okay, so we have these two pieces for the base of the basket. So I'll just take one, started from the corner. Okay, now turn like this. The second side, this is the third one, and this is the fourth. So it's absolutely fine. I will sew it. Now I'll show how to sew it. Okay, so with the help of a yarn needle, we will sew this long piece in both sides of this piece, like this. So this is how we will join. When we will just here, so we will just sew it all the way around. This is how, like this. Then we will just go here, here and here. Okay, so this was the base. I have attached it from all the four sides. Now this is the open side. Now what we are going to do, okay, so I will join these two together, so it will be like this. I'll just sew this up. Okay, so this side is also completed. Now you can see this is something we have joined now, and these are the four sides, like this. Now what we will do, we will just turn it, fold it in half. Okay, so this is how it will be. This is the second base. Now I will place it here, and we will join this base with this one, so it will be more tighter and hardened. So this is how the basket will look. So I'll just attach this part to this base. If you want to stick any kind of cardboard, or you have any plastic sheet here, if you want to paste it here you can, but I want to make it washable, so for me this is enough stiff, so I'll just make it like this. Okay, so the basket is completed. I have sewn from all sides, so this is how it will look. Now we will make the handle of the basket, so let's see how to make it. We will start by working chain of 10. Okay, so this strip is ready. Now you will sew it on both sides, in the center of the side, so our basket will be completed. Okay, so after attaching this is how it will look. I hope you have liked it. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share my video. For any query you can ask me in comment section. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.